Hello there and welcome back to another Christmas video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some no-bake Santa cookie balls. But of course they're going to be gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free. You will be needing the following equipment. Some scales, a sieve, a wooden spoon, an electric hand whisk or a stand mixer, a spatula and a baking tray. You will also be needing the following ingredients. 94 grams of butter softened, I like to use lacto-free butter, 187 grams of icing sugar sifted, and 135 grams of biscuits crumbified. These biscuits, I will leave a link in the description for the recipe for you. So, let's go! So now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our cookie balls. So for this we will be needing our wooden spoon, electric hand whisk or our stand mixer, our spatula, all of our ingredients and our baking tray. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my butter to my stand mixer. There we go. So now we're going to mix our butter until it becomes light and creamy. So now that that is all done, we are now going to add a little bit of our icing sugar to our mixture, mixing all the time until everything is fully combined. There we go. So now that that is all ready, I'm going to add half of my biscuit mixture into my standing mixer. Oh, goodness me. It's probably... There we go, that's probably about right. And now I'm going to mix this lot together until it is fully combined, and then continuing mixing, I'm going to add the rest of this biscuit mixture into my stand mixer and mix until everything is fully combined, people. So now that that is all done and everything is looking lovely and well combined, I've actually rolled my sleeves up and I'm going to take my bowl out of my stand mixer after I've got rid of all this stuff. So let's get that out and just scrape around the sides. There we are. Here. Oh, this is a thick old thing, I can tell you. So now really you can grab as much or as little as you'd like in your hand. So I'm going to grab about that much, roll it around till it becomes a ball. And place that onto my baking tray. So that's all you need to do. So I'll show you one more and then I will see you after you've done all that. That wasn't the greatest of grammar, Vickiie. Learn English, come on. So now that this is all done, we're going to place these into our fridge for a minimum of 40 minutes or until they are firm. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe on how to make these lovely cookie balls. If you do make these at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag bakingwithvickiie so that I can see all of your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!